Hey guys, welcome back. This is Phil from underKG.com at MWC 2018. LG hasn't released a new device, rather they updated the V30, so meet the V30S and V30S Plus ThinQ. The basic specs remain the same with the 6 inches of a display, dual camera, and Snapdragon 835 with 3,300 mAh of battery. What's new around here are two AI technologies. Let's start with the Vision AI that automatically chooses the right mode for the scene that you're trying to take a photo of. There's also a bright camera feature that takes up to twice as bright of a photo, and there's a Q lens that finds out the store or related product of an object that you put before the camera. Next up is a voice AI. For Google Assistant, they expanded the number of commands it can understand, and for those that Google One cannot understand, LG's own Q voice is going to take care of. It comes in two different colors, new Moroccan blue and new platinum gray. For the larger storage equipped V30S Plus ThinQ, it's going to be hair pricier than the vanilla V30 Plus.